Hey Wargamers, Josh here with Wargames Delivered. Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of our medium anti-tank gun for the United States Marine Corps. Make sure you check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com. Take advantage of our buy 6 get 3 promo to get the 9 paints that I used in this video, as well as getting your hands on that Marine Corps anti-tank team for yourself. Starting off with a layer of texture paste, we're going to build up over that base with some flocking. We're going to start off with a blend of green flocking, very short, just to be our base layer of grass. We're then going to move on to some thicker flocking to simulate overgrowth and bushing and fill in some of the gaps with that smaller flocking that I wasn't quite happy with. Using some of the Army Painter's Battlefield grass, we're going to throw in some of the yellowish tufts for a bit of variety and texture difference. For the tufts, we're going to use a couple varieties of the Army Painter's pre-made tufts, including the meadow flowers, lowland shrubs, and standard grassland tuff. Make sure you check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com, link in the description below. Take advantage of the buy 6 get 3 promo. You can get your hands on this miniature and all of the paints that I used. While that base is drying and finishing up, we're going to move over to painting the miniatures. We're going to start off with the color Tanned Flesh, my favorite base tone. I like its pink undertones for faces and arms, especially in high sun climates like the Pacific Theater or the African desert. I should note that these miniatures were painted with a base coat of Army green right off the bat. From there, we're going to add the color Combat Fatigues across the helmet to be the padding that goes over the top, the camouflage layer. A couple notable mentions. After we get done with Combat Fatigue, we're going to use Desert Yellow across all of the webbing and attachments. We are going to use Leather Brown on the boots and the strap on the helmet. The barrel of the M3 was made of a single piece with 12 grooves and a right-hand twist with a vertical sliding block breeching mechanism, outfitted with a hydro spring recoil system. The wheel segments on the axle could be lowered to provide a stable platform for firing or raised to allow free movement of the gun. The 37mm became outclassed in Europe. It really found its home within the Marine Corps. In April of '43, all of the anti-tank guns in the Pacific were upgraded to the 37mm. The Special Weapons Division Battalion contained 18 37mm towed guns in 3 batteries of 6. A regiment had a weapons company of 3 platoons of 4. In total, each Marine Corps division controlled 54 anti-tank weapons teams. We're going to use the color Gunmetal to do scratching across the body of the gun. And here we're going to paint on some of the details. I'm going to use a matte white across the entire bar along the side that's going to be used to paint the red and white reflector system. Once we're finished up with the flat white, we're going to move on over to the color pure red to create that alternating segment of white and red seen here. Then we're going to use Necromancer Cloak to fill in the tires. All that's left is to attach it down to the base. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos we've got coming up. Visit us on the web store at www.wargamesdelivered.com, link in the description below, to take advantage of our buy 6, get 3 promo so you can get the entire color list I used for this mini. I'm Josh, this is Wargames Delivered. Until next time, we'll see you on the tabletop.